Hey guys, me Blaine, I'm back again, and today I got something that I ordered because I needed something a little different inside my glove box when it comes to my Sentry Mode, the USB that I plug into my glove box area there. And anyways, my friends, I got it from Yonzee, okay? And well, anyways, let's just take a look at it. So anyways, what I got right here from Yonzee is this little adapter that's going to go inside my glove box. Now, I'm going to tell you why I really like this one. Haven't even played with it yet. Got it right there. My buddy John had it in his car, and when I saw that, I'm like, man, I got to get this. What it is, now this will fit your 2024 and 2025 Model 3, and it'll also fit the 2026 Model Y Juniper, which is what I have right here. But they say it will fit in the Model 3, but the 24 and 25 models. So anyways, what I like about this, we have one port inside our glove box. But currently, your USB for the Sentry Mode Flash Drive is plugged in, and anything you put inside your glove box could hit it. Bend it, break it, you break that USB port, you're going to have problems. You're not going to be able to use your Sentry Mode anymore in there. So it always bugs me because I try to stuff things inside my glove box. Well, this thing here, as you can see, this part plugs in currently into the USB port that's in your car. But look right here on the side. Right here on the side is where you're going to take your USB drive for your Sentry Mode. You're going to take this right here, and it goes in it on the back side. Now look, it fits in there perfect, and you can't see it. Okay, couple things. One, this is going to sit in there flat. This is already going to be plugged in. It's got to be plugged into the one in the back, the blue one, because it's 3.0. And then it still gives you two more ports in the front here and a USB-C port on the side in case you want to do anything like wireless controllers or anything like that. But if somebody was to break into my car, a thief that understood and knew about the Sentry Mode USB drive right here, if they broke into my car, if they're smart, they're going to open up the glove box and take out that drive and move on. But with this one in there, it has that same felt feel and everything that's inside the glove box right now, and you don't see it. I really like it. It makes it hidden, okay? It hides it while it's in there. Everything still works, but it does give me a couple more ports if I want to plug in, like I said, a game controller or anything like that. But well, anyways, I'm going to go ahead and install this, and then we'll see what how it works and make sure that the USB drive for the Sentry Mode is still working. Okay, so right here is the empty port that I'm going to plug into. This is, like I said, this is in my Model Y, the Juniper. I'm just going to plug it in right here, and it's going to fit right in this little cubby hole, perfect right here. So you'll see what I mean. All right, look at that. Now, yes, I got my camera in here, but you cannot see that Sentry Mode thumb drive at all in there. It looks like it's supposed to be in there. I mean, this thing fits in there from the top to the bottom, and it's not going anywhere. It's not moving on me or anything. And if you just look in here, you can't see the Sentry Mode thumb drive. So it makes you think that there's nothing in here right now. So anyways, let's check and see what the computer says and make sure that it's seeing, because I still have that thumb drive hidden in the back right there. So I just plugged it in, and now this comes up right here. I can delete or format. I'm just going to go ahead and format my hard drive because there's nothing in there I need right now. Go ahead and format it. So it's formatting it. Success. Everything's good. So I know now that this drive in here is going to be working, and everything's going to work for when I'm using my Sentry Mode in here. Well, there you go, guys. I think it's a pretty cheap little thing just to plug in. One, it's going to help you hide your Sentry Mode USB, so it's not going to be seen if someone was to break into your car. Secondly, now if I throw anything into my glove box, I don't have that USB drive sticking straight out. Now it's going into the side, it's pushed in there and it's felt, and it looks good, and it's not going anywhere. So that's the main reason why I bought it right there, because I was afraid I was going to break off that USB drive while I was pushed in there. Guys, if this is something you're looking for, okay, in the description of my video will take you straight to it in Amazon, and you can go there and purchase this one right here, okay? And it's not that expensive. I think it's around $25 maybe or something like that. But I'm gonna tell you right now, it's worth it, because if you break off that USB in there, it's going to cost you a little bit more than that to fix it. So anyways, guys, hey, if you haven't done so already, give me a like on this video. Subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of things out there that I've been testing and showing, and different kinds of reviews and everything about my car. And guys, be safe out there, have fun, and keep driving. Peace.